Hello and welcome to Digit. In this video, we will be unpackaging the Lowfe Megnet wireless Bluetooth earphones. When it comes to the packaging, it is pretty generic with a clear plastic on the front through which we can see the product itself, and on the back, it's an opaque white. That's about it when it comes to the packaging, so let's get into it now. On the inside, all we get are the earphones and its charging cable. The cable has a USB Type A interface on one end and a micro USB interface on the other. The whole thing is approximately 8 inches long. When it comes to the earphones, in length, it's approximately 24 inches long, and we can see that it has a black and red color theme going for it, with it being predominantly black, with the control module being black in color and the earbuds being black as well, with some red highlights in the middle. The cable of the earphones are flat in shape, so it should hopefully keep the tangles away. When it comes to the control module, we have three buttons on it. The middle button is a multifunction button which helps with switching the device on or off, and the buttons around it are for increasing or decreasing the volume or changing the track. On the side, we have the charging port, which is a micro USB charging port. The earbuds are magnetic, so when they are not in use and they are hung around your neck, they have a bit more security than non magnetic earphones. The ear tips are gray in color, and to get started with using these earphones, all we need to do is power them on using the power button in the middle. Press and hold. Up top, we can see that it is flashing blue, meaning that it is in pairing mode. For the purposes of this video, we will be pairing the earphones to an Android smartphone. We look for the Bluetooth name saying Bluetooth Music and tap on it to begin the pairing process. Now that the device is connected, we can see that it is in use for calls and media playback, and the battery level is at 100%. Now we can use these earphones to listen to our favorite tunes. So this was the unboxing of the Lowfe Megnet wireless Bluetooth earphones. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.